Hey guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. So I'm making this video to speak about the things that led me to blow my funded account. So I had two FA accounts which I blew last week, and five more combines which I blew in a week or so. So I will tell you the emotions that got me, the things that led me, and the psychology which helped me now to look at the bigger picture. So first thing first, what happened was breaking my rules. The most important thing in trading, and which can break or make you, is if you're following the rules or not. So breaking my rules, I know I'm breaking it, and still breaking is the main important concept here. So first and foremost, session. You have to know in which session you trade in or in which session you're comfortable in. If you like low volume but a clean price action, you could trade Asia and London. London has a very best price action, but you have to hold. London session is like you're trading in gold. You have to hold. It can sweep your stop loss and go to your direction, but that's how it works. If you want quick moves, bigger moves, or if your pattern plays out well in New York session, you could trade New York session. That is why I trade New York session only. The thing is whenever I open Top Step, I see the chart. I see a pattern, and when I see the pattern, I take the trade. That's how foolish I am, and you wouldn't believe me, Chad. I have like 10% win rate in uh Asia and London session, 10%, and I still trade in that. What what makes me that? That's foolish. I know that session isn't for me. While I have a really good win rate on New York session, like really good. This is why I prefer New York session. But I still, because of the greed, I still preferred. I still trade on, take a trade on other sessions, which is crazy. And other things is, some people are comfortable in trading crude oils, gold, crypto, while some people are preferred trading. Sorry, I have to work on my English. Um, on ES, S&P, or Nasdaq. I know I'm good at trading Nasdaq and NQES, but I still take a trade on gold, which is which do make sense. You need to have options to trade with, but if you can't understand the commodity, you don't trade in that. That's you have to know its price action. You have to know how does this coin work, and to gain that, you have to have a really good experience in that coin or in that commodity. I do not have a good knowledge about gold, but I still randomly take trades, which of course turns to be rare, of course. But that's how trading teaches you. Second thing is losses. I did not had a. I will. I can't show you the account cause the account just got closed. So I don't think so it's possible to show that. But it's fine. I was losing 1k, 1.6k, 1.3k in a single day on a 50k account, not even 100k, not even 150, on a 50k account. That makes no sense. You should have a proper risk to reward. You should have a proper loss limit for the day, which I had for a day, but today I fucked it up. So I will talk about this later on. There's a point over here. Third thing is risk. You have to have a good risk to reward ratio. 1:2 is ideal if you have a 50% win rate, and 1:3 is like a gem. It's like a gem, legit gem. If you have a 1:5, it's still a gem. If you have 75% win rate, it's very good. I uh I have 75% win rate. But the thing is, I closes my trade very early. That's where the fourth point comes in holding. I lack very. I'm impatient while I'm in the trade. I close the trade very early and then look at the chart hitting my TP when I'm not even in the trade. So the new thing I've developed is I'll take the trade, close my PC, and watch Instagram, watch YouTube, do my homework, anything. So that's the best thing I come up with. If you guys suffer from that, please find a way to solve it, or you can use my strategy. Number of trades comes under rules. How many trade can you take? One, two is a good amount. If you took a loss of, if you have a limit of $300 per day and you're taking two trades, risking $150 per trade, you could take two trade. Or if you had $300 in a single trade, you are off the table. You could wait for the next day. That's how it works. There are many rules I have written, but I'm not following them, which sucks. I know that this thing will let me be profitable again, and I'm still not following. That's the thing which annoys me the most. Nothing else. Blowing the account, no, but not following the rule. If I follow the rules and blow my account, I I would be happy. I would be at least happy that I follow my rules. If I'm not following my rules and I'm still blowing my account, that is the reason why I'm blowing the account. I know the reason I'm still blowing. So that's the thing I work on. So second part, looking at other people. This is the most important thing. You go on Discord, you see the PNL, 10k a day, 20k a day, 6k a day, 3k a day, but you haven't seen the losses. You haven't seen the things they go through. They are not a new people. They have been in the trading space for a very long time. Have started from the they have started where you are right now. It will take time, but you will eventually go over there and make the same amount in a single day or in a single trade. You will. Stop comparing yourself. Stop comparing your level 1 to level 10 of other people. Do you get it? Just just get my point. The thing is, there are steps in every level. In business, in trading, in school, there are steps. You can't compare yourself to seniors. Of course, they have more knowledge. You can't compare yourself to uh, politicians. They have bigger knowledge. You can't compare yourself to TJR because they have been trading for a very long time. All right, do you get me? And and the thing which uh, which the reason I blow my account was, as someone posted on Discord, on the top step Discord, like it's a very good opportunity to go along. And I opened my chart and I saw a good trade, and it was on London session, which I usually don't take, and I took the trade minus 200 down. I was like, shit, man, I'm nearly to my daily stop loss limit. What should I do? Took one more trade, minus 300, minus 100 for a day. I was like, shit, it's not even New York session. I waited for 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Um, I'm down $500 before the market open. Full put it. I full put it one. From minus 500, I was minus 800. Full put it again, minus $150. I was like, okay, 150. I can climb it back. Full put it, minus 1000. Again, full put it, and yeah, boom. This was a combine. Of course, I have to work on to get an to XFA account. Is that what it's called? I don't even remember. It's FXA or funded account. Basically, I had two funded accounts. I'll make a video on that, of course. But even in that, I was up 1.6k and lost 1.6k in a single day, chat. Single day. God, I broke my rule. I broke my. That it's so simple. It's in the screen. This is in front of your eyes. You know what makes you unprofitable, you know what is holding you back, you know what you need to change, but you can't because, but that's the thing, you have to break that. I swear I was trying to open my camera to show you my reaction, but this isn't allowing me to capture and record at the same time. I don't know why. I guess I have to use an external app. But next video I will use it. But guys, you have to get it. This is the reasons. These are the reasons, bitch, is making you unprofitable. If you overcome this, I swear no one can hold you back. Alright, third step, really important, not looking at the bigger picture. This is by far the best advice I will give it to you. Look at the bigger picture. Don't look at the daily PNL, don't look at the weekly PNL, look at the monthly PNL. I will show you a simple calculation here. Calculation, okay? I show you a simple calculation. You're risking $300 and you're making $600 to $700 per trade. At 1:2, 1:25, or 1:3, you make $900 per trade. And you take only one trade per day, that's 22 trades per month. Okay, on a 50% win rate, you take 22 trades, that's the maximum loss you can do. And you make 6k, let's take, you make 6k per trade, $600 per trade. Okay, then minus your 2, 22 minus, that's $6,600 per month on a 50k account. If you risk only $300 and aim for 1:2 on a 50% win rate, at the end you will end up having 6.6k. See, you see, that's how. On a good day you could make $70. On a good day you can make $150, $1k by risking $300. You can. 1:3, 1:5. I have seen people with 1:22, 25, 26, 30. It is possible, child. But being optimistic, you're pessimistic. Pessimistic is the word. Yeah, you're being pessimistic, and having 1:5 or 1:2 with a 50% win rate, and still be ending up 6.6k. And that's how you scale up. You have you want one account, after being having a funded account, you have two more. You have three. Total you can have five. You have total five now into five. What I'm saying is, look at the bigger picture. Do not look at the daily PNL. You could be you could end up negative a week, but positive next week, next to next week, next to next week. That's how trading works. You have to look at the bigger picture. Look at the bigger picture. I swear, when you shift your mind from daily PNL to monthly PNL, you will change your whole personality. Your daily losses won't affect you. Your daily breaking your rules won't affect you. You have a losing streak, okay, fine, let's watch the monthly PNL. You will end up green. If you follow your rules and look at the monthly PNL, you will end up a green, I swear. Having a win streak, good, continue. Do not risk more than you can. On a 50k account, it's not ideal to risk more than 1%, but some people do because they have experience or they got lucky in few trades, so say they have a balance to trade in that. But once you clear that, there's no one stopping you. So what now? This is a big thing. What now? Uh, I don't know why I'm acting this, but what now? I know what to do. I know what I fucked up. I know what I need to change. Things I need to change. First of all, following my rules. Trading only New York session, only New York, risking only $300 for the day, letting my trade run, closing my PC after taking a trade, only taking one trade or two trade max. Not looking at the people, not looking at other people opinion, their advice, their PNL, nothing. And looking at there are many other things that led me to this, but you can watch other people YouTube videos. They have explained it very well, things that makes people unprofitable. There's TJR, there's Justin, there's Lumi, there's many traders which are really good at it. They will explain you better. I wish my camera was on. I want to I want to show you guys my reaction to it. But guys, I'm please telling you, please have a rule, have a set of rules, follow them no matter what. and and if you look at the bigger picture in anything, look at the, if you're in a school, you're having a bigger picture that you will score, you will be in top in the class. The smaller things, the small criticism from other people, the small criticism from your teacher, missing your homework one day won't affect you any much, because you know at the end you are gonna top your class. You know you're gonna do it. You see what I'm saying? I'm not good at examples, but 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 have that in picture. I know this video is quite long, but guys, you have to know this. You have to improve on this. You have to break that cycle. uh, I did break the cycle, and I don't know what the greediness, the please stay away from greediness. This greediness will eat you up alive. I'm not even kidding. I was making good amount when and sorry, and I watched other people pay, and I was like, how can they make more on the same account I have? They didn't got lucky. They did got lucky, of course. Not of course. They are very good traders. But anyway, I followed them. I was like, shit, I will double it. I was risking more I could. I was risking 1K per day and making 600, $700. That's bullshit, chat. You can't have 1:1 still be profitable unless you are a scalper. That's 1:1 is is not avoidable. I mean, avoidable. It's not important. Whatever, chat. It's not idle. What I'm saying is, follow your rules. Don't look at other people. Have a bigger picture, and more importantly, action. Take action. Do not watch. You don't need more YouTube videos. You don't need more concept. You don't need more ICT videos. You don't need more structure video. You know, don't need anything. You just need to start. Just start. Just take an account, or go on a trading view, get a free trial for a month, backtest. And I'm telling you, backtesting and live charts are quite different. Your feelings are quite different. Your emotions are quite different. But if you believe in a structure that it works on backtesting, it will pretty much work on the live account. So what I'm saying is, live test. What? Um, Take action. You know, you don't need more YouTube videos, and that's it. Follow your rules. Get started. Look at the bigger picture. That's it. No more bullshit, Chad. No more bullshit. Everything is in front of you. Everything. You know what you're making. You know what your what thing is holding you back. You know what to work on. You know what to focus on, and take action. That's it. There are many other rules. If you follow these three rules, addition to your own rules, uh, it it will be very efficient for you all. I'm focused. I'm improving. I will improve, and I will come. I will get a new combine and follow my rules today. And hopefully, trade recap for tomorrow will be W. Alright, guys. See you tomorrow. The trade recap or a new psychological video. Let's see. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.